Griffith in 1928 proved that DNA is the genetic material, but many biologists were not convinced. Alfred Hershey and Martha Chase in 1952 proved that DNA is the genetic material and not proteins. They selected viruses that infect bacteria. These viruses are called bacteriophages and are made up of only DNA and proteins. So viruses have a simple structure. When virus infects bacteria, they insert genetic material into the bacteria. So Hershey and Chase found out the genetic material which is passed from virus into the bacteria. They used radioactive sulfur 35S for some viruses and radioactive phosphorus 32P for some other viruses. Viruses grew on radioactive sulfur contains radioactive proteins, since proteins contain sulfur. And viruses grew on radioactive phosphorus contains radioactive DNA, since DNA contains phosphorus. Kindly note, protein does not contain phosphorus and DNA does not contain sulfur. Radioactive viruses were allowed to infect E. coli bacteria. After infection, there was blending and centrifugation to separate the mixture of viruses and bacteria. Bacteria being heavier were in the palate and viruses into the supernatant being lighter. Bacteria which were infected by viruses with radioactive sulfur were not radioactive. Radioactive sulfur was associated with proteins. This indicates that protein from virus did not enter the bacteria. Bacteria which were infected by viruses with radioactive DNA were radioactive. This indicates that DNA was the material that passed from the viruses to the bacteria. In other words, radioactivity for phosphorus and sulfur was tested. Only radioactive phosphorus was found inside the bacteria, indicating that DNA is the genetic material.